Hi guys, I'm number 1. If fx equals to x squared minus 4 and gx equals x plus 2, and calculate daw natin yung fx and gx. So, itong fx na to, lagay natin dito. Dapat sa taas yan, ha. Sa taas, fx equals x squared plus minus 2. Then, yung gx naman, hindi sa baba ng fx. Then, itong fx na to, yung x squared minus 4, lagay natin dito. Then, multiply natin to. 2 times 2 equals 4. Yan. Then, lagay natin dito yung 2 na x plus 2 and x minus 2. Kaya magkaiba yan kasi kailangan natin makuha yung negative. Kailangan magkaiba yan. Kailangan positive muna and negative. So, itong to, lagyan dito sa kabila. Yan. X plus 2 and x minus 2. Then, itong sa gx naman, lagyan sa baba. So, magka-press yung dalawa, cancel and cancel. Then, the final answer, itong isang hindi na move. So, ito. X minus 2. So, and the final answer is fx and gx equals to x minus 2.
The product of f of x is denoted by f of x times g of x. First step is to substitute the given, which is 4x times x squared plus 1. Last step is distribute the 4x times x squared and x times 1. Therefore, the final answer is 4x cubed plus 4x1.
Good day everyone. Today we are going to solve this problem. So let f of x equals to 3x plus 1 and g of x equals x squared minus 4 to calculate g of f to f of x. And yung given ng g of x equals to x squared minus 4. Tapos yung given mo ng f of x equals to 3x plus 1. So yung 3x plus 1 ilalagay mo lang dito. So yung g. Tapos, ilalagay mo lang ulit yan. I-copy mo. 3x plus 1. And then, itong 2 na yan, ilalagay mo siya dito. Sa 3x plus 1. Tapos yung minus 4, ilalagay mo lang din siya dito. Tapos, ibababa mo itong 3x plus 1 dito. And then, ayun din, ibababa mo din yan. Yung 3x plus 1 squared minus 4. Tapos, ito na nga. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. And, plus 3x plus 3x is 6x. So, ilalagay mo yung 6x dito. And, sa negative 3 naman, 1 times 1 is 1. Tapos, i-minus mo siya sa negative 4 yung 1. So, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So, ayun na yung nakuha nating answer.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Darius Arteta. Today, I will solve this. If f of x equals 6x minus 2 and g of x equals 3x plus 1, find f plus g times negative 1. So, the given is f of negative 1 equals 6x minus 2 and g times negative 1 equals 3x plus 1. So, 6x minus 2 plus 3x plus 1. So, yung mga x is papalitan natin siya ng negative 1. 6 negative 1 minus 2 plus 3 times negative 1 plus 1. So, 6 times negative 1 equals negative 6. 2 times negative 1 equals negative 2. 3 times negative 1 equals negative 3. Then, ibaba lang po natin itong plus 1. Since puro negative 2 is, ipa-plus natin lahat tong negative 6, negative 2, tas negative 3 equals to negative 11. Then, ibababa lang po natin to. Negative 11 plus 1 equals to negative 10.
X equals to x cubed plus 2x. Second step is to g of x equals to x squared minus x. First step is to distribute the negative. Second step is to distribute the x equals to 3. 3 raised to 5 equals to negative 243. 3 raised to 4 equals to 81. 3 raised to 3 equals to 216. 2 times 3 raised to 2 equals to 6. Negative 243 plus 81 minus 216 plus 6 equals to x equals to negative 372.